Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today's episode is called Weekend Plans. What will you do? Join Anna and David as they talk about their weekend from Friday to Sunday, filled with fun, laughter, and friendship. Let's begin. Hey, David. The week is finally over. I'm so tired, but so happy.
Same here. Friday feels like freedom. So, what will you do this weekend?
I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll sleep all day on Saturday.
That sounds lazy, but nice. You worked a lot this week.
True, but I also want to do something fun. What about you?
I'm planning to go hiking with my cousin. There's a new trail near the lake.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love hiking.
Yeah, the view is beautiful and the air is fresh. You should join us.
Really? That would be fun. But I don't have hiking shoes.
Don't worry, it's an easy trail. You can wear sneakers.
Okay then, maybe I will. What time will you go?
Saturday morning, around 8.
8? That's too early.
Come on, Anna. Early morning is the best time to hike.
Okay. If you promise to bring coffee.
Deal. I'll bring coffee and some snacks.
Perfect. And after hiking?
Maybe we'll have lunch at the Lake Cafe. They have great sandwiches.
I'm already hungry.
What will you do on Sunday then?
I might visit my parents. I haven't seen them for 2 weeks.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Yes, my mom always cooks my favorite food.
Lucky you. My mom just tells me to clean my room when I visit.
That's classic. Yawning. David, it's so early. Why did I agree to this?
Because you love adventure, remember?
Right, but next time, coffee first, hike later.
Okay. Here's your coffee.
Ah, lifesaver. Thanks. So, where exactly are we going?
It's called Green Valley Trail, about 40 minutes from the city.
Nice. I brought my camera too. The view must be beautiful.
Oh, good idea. We can take some photos for Instagram.
And maybe a video for my channel, Weekend with Anna and David.
That's a cool title. Maybe we'll become famous.
Only if we don't get lost.
Wow, look at that sunrise.
It's so peaceful here. I can hear the birds.
Let's start walking before it gets too hot.
Good idea. Oh, look, a rabbit.
Cute. Wait, I'll take a picture.
You're like a tourist.
Well, nature deserves attention.
Later.
Q, I need a break.
You're doing great. We're almost at the top.
I didn't know easy trail meant mountain climbing.
Okay, maybe I underestimated it, but it's worth it. Look at that view.
Yeah, totally worth it.
Okay then, let's take a selfie.
Sure, smile. Perfect.
I'll post this later. Weekend goals achieved.
Caption idea? Coffee plus mountains equals happiness.
Perfect. Hey, how was your Sunday, Anda?
Great. I went to my parents' house. We had a big lunch.
Nice. What did your mom cook?
Fried rice, grilled chicken, and her famous mango dessert.
I'm jealous now.
Next time, I'll bring you some.
Deal. I spent my Sunday cleaning and doing laundry.
That's productive.
Yeah, not very exciting, but it feels good after.
So true. I also watched a movie last night.
Oh, which one?
The Secret Garden. It's so calming and magical.
I haven't seen it yet. Maybe I'll watch it next weekend.
You should. What will you do next weekend?
Maybe go to the beach if the weather is nice.
Ooh, I love the beach. Let's go together.
Sure, we can swim, play volleyball, and eat ice cream.
Perfect weekend plan again.
You know, I like how we always make simple plans but have so much fun.
Yeah, it's not about where we go, it's about who we're with.
Exactly. Here's to more great weekends.
Cheers to that. Now, let's move to vocabulary and phrases. Phrase, meaning or use. What will you do this weekend? Asking about weekend plans. Sounds fun or sounds great. Expressing interest or excitement. I might or I'll probably. talking about possible plans. Let's go or let's do it. Agreeing with enthusiasm. I'm so tired but happy. Expressing mixed feelings. Deal. Agreeing to a plan or promise. Worth it when something difficult gives a good result. Weekend goals achieved. Expressing of success and satisfaction. Cheers to that. Informal way to celebrate or agree. Thank you so much, dear viewers, for watching and practicing English with us today. We really appreciate your time and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily English practice videos. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing more lessons with you every day. Let's keep learning and improving together.